How to turn off Android without the power button. This tutorial shows you two ways to do it if your power button is broken or unresponsive. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick panel. From there, tap the power icon in the corner of the panel. After that, a menu will pop up with options like Power Off, Restart, and Emergency Mode. At this point, tap Power Off, then confirm when prompted. If your Quick panel doesn't have a power option available, there's a more reliable workaround for a broken button. Following this, open the Settings app instead. From here, tap Accessibility. At this stage, tap Interaction and Dexterity. Following this, tap Assistant menu. From here, tap the toggle to turn it on. At this stage, a small floating icon will appear on your screen. Following this, tap that icon to open a menu of quick actions. From here, look for the power option within that menu and tap it. Once tapped, you'll get the same power off and restart choices without needing the physical button at all. That's how you turn off your Android device without the power button. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.